This is for class 10 students, polynomials chapter. Find a quadratic polynomial. The sum and product of whose zeros are -3 and 2 respectively. They are given not zeros. Sum and product of zeros. Some students may confuse and they will think these are these zeros -3 and 2. Wrong. Okay. So answer, we will take alpha and beta as zeros. Let alpha and beta are zeros. Okay. So we are considering alpha and beta as zeros. So some students wrongly take alpha is equal to -3, beta is equal to 2. That is wrong actually. So just read the question. So they have given sum and product of those zeros are -3 and 2 respectively. Respectively means the first number -3 is sum of zeros. Second number is product of zeros. That's the meaning. See, sum of zeros means alpha plus beta. That is equal to sum of zeros. First number is sum of zeros. So alpha plus beta is equal to -3. Next, product of zeros means alpha into beta. What is product of zeros? Product means 2. First number is sum, second number is product. First number -3 is a sum of zeros. Second number 2 is product of zeros. That means alpha beta is equal to 2. Now what is the question? Find a quadratic polynomial. A quadratic means one quadratic polynomial. Any one quadratic polynomial that has sum of zeros is equal to -3, product of zeros 2. So that quadratic polynomial we have to find. First, general form of quadratic polynomial is this. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is standard form of a quadratic polynomial. A, b, c are the real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Okay. Now, quadratic polynomial means x square and x will be as it is. We have to find a, b and c values. How can you find? Using this, using the formulas of alpha plus beta. So we have formula for alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And we have formula for alpha beta also. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So we want to find a, b, c values. For that, first we will take a as 1. Let a is equal to 1. Okay. See, when a is equal to 1, consider this first. See here, take this part. Equal is there. I will write it here. -3 is equal to minus b by a. So we are taking a is equal to 1. So when substitute a is equal to 1 here, what happens? So -3, this -3 is equal to minus b, right, as it is. A in place of a, you substitute 1. Okay, next see, -3 is equal to, see, minus b divided by 1, we get minus b only. So whatever the number here, if we divide by 1, we get same thing. That means, so minus b when divided by 1, we get same minus b. Now see, here equal sign is there, here also minus, here also minus, we can just cancel out. So what we got, 3 is equal to b. Okay, because of equal sign we can interchange like this. So that means b is equal to 3. So for a is equal to 1, we got b is equal to 3. I will write here. Okay. Next we have to find C, value of C. Okay. I will just rub this part. So any previous content if you want to see, you can just move the video backward. Now to find we have C, right? So in this formula we have C. So first what we will do, we will take this part. 2 is equal to C by A. Okay. So substitute this A is equal to 1 here. So first write 2 is equal to C, right, by, so in place of A substitute 1. Now again next step 2 is equal to, so C divided by 1 we get C only. Okay. Now see, because of this equal sign we can interchange these two. So that is implies 2 is equal to C or C is equal to 2. Okay, both are correct. Now, so the question is find a quadratic polynomial. So this is general form. Now substitute ABC values here. In place of A, I will put 1. So 1x square plus, in place of B, I will put 3. So 3x plus, in place of C, I will put 2. See, here 1 is there, no, we can remove, no problem. If you remove also, it is understood 1 is there. You can just remove, no issues. Now this is the answer. Okay. The question is a quadratic polynomial we have to find. A quadratic means any one quadratic polynomial. So one quadratic polynomial we calculated it. Sometimes they will ask not one quadratic polynomial, they will ask 2, 3, 4 quadratic polynomial. That time what you have to do, you follow the same process. After you finding out this, just write it once again here, x plus 3x plus 2, put bracket like this, and you multiply by k. Okay. What is k? K is any real number. That means you can, it is whole number, natural number or integer. Any number you take for k and multiply whole thing, you get different quadratic polynomials. When k is equal to 2, you will get one polynomial. If you substitute k is equal to 4, you will get another polynomial. You can get many number of quadratic polynomial, but the sum and product of zeros will be same only, minus 3 and 2. Okay. If they ask only one quadratic polynomial, till here you solve. If they ask 2, 3 or 4 quadratic polynomial, that time depend, you can substitute the values for k. K is any real number, you substitute for k, you will get different polynomials. But in this case, any one is enough because they want only one quadratic polynomial. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Anything if you want to say, please mention in the comment. I will follow that. Thank you. Subscribe.